Alright, so we got another video for you. It's too late to do an unboxing, but I can do kind of a mock one because I already opened this, and once you take these things apart, you're never going to get them back inside one of these boxes. It's impossible. But anyway, so what you have is two mics, two lavaliers. When I actually bought it, I was expecting to get shorter cords, but so I ended up actually buying a different setup, which is the one that you're actually hearing right now, which I'll do another video for. I did the unboxing for that one, and I'll do a video test on this current microphone also. But yeah, so what you get is two mics. You get, here, I'll just open this up. We'll do the mock unboxing right now. So you get this, nice little case there. Everything else is empty from there. And then what you get is a bunch of different kinds of wind socks that you can have for that. And you get a little thank you card, user guide, and you get the separate adapters, which is the one thing that I don't like, because you gotta plug this in, and you can't just plug this in straight into your phone. It doesn't fit. It's gotta go into here. So no matter what the setup is, you always gotta have it plugged into here, and then you gotta plug it into your phone, which is kind of crappy, but it is what it is. But basically this is an interview set, so I basically decided I'm probably not going to use it that often, until it warrants for it. But and then this is the other piece. This is if you want it to go into like a standard SLR or camera with a standard TRS input. Most smartphones are TRRS, Android ones especially. And then there's always separate ones for iPhone. But yeah, so that's what you get. Adapter to go from TRRS to TRS. You get this dual plug to go into your smartphone. You get your two microphones here, and yeah, your carrying case. But from what I found, it's almost impossible to shove these all back into here and actually get it shut properly. But because I like to actually have these wound up so when they're in your pocket or whatever, because they're so freaking long. Well, anyways, I have it so this bunch goes in your pocket. One goes into the phone, has enough length to it, and the one that goes to clip onto your shirt has enough length to get to your shirt. So that's pretty much what that is. But what we'll do now is we'll do a little audio test on the quality of these guys, and we'll get back to you. Alright, so this is with the kit all plugged in. We got both mics working right now. I mean, typically you wouldn't wear both of them because, okay, we'll call this mic 1. Should hear some tapping. And this is mic 2. So I don't know what you're going to get for sound. I don't know if these are stereo mics or if they're just regular monophone mics. And if you record both of them, it becomes stereo. I'm not 100% sure about that, but yeah, so I just wanted to give a quick little audio test on these guys. Maybe we'll take one away and put it across the room here. Okay, so this is talking with the mic 1. So how's my voice? Can you hear it? Does it sound different than when there was both? This is it, they're both far away. Can you hear me? Are they picking up on my voice? And this one here, mic 2. So we got mic 2 plugged back in. How's that sound? Everything good? And then let's bring it back all together again. Usually people wear these on the side, but I've seen on my newest one they should be pointing straight up. Okay, so that's the the audio test for this little product. So let me know what you think about this YouMic. I just got it on Amazon for a pretty reasonable price. Not too bad. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you. Hit that like button and subscribe. Have a good day.